Hello my dears, here's Sally. Is it rainy today or did you start with some negative thoughts? So this yoga is that you can really start with a good feeling and a good morning and you can rock your whole day. Are you ready to energize yourself? To wake yourself up? Find a comfortable seat. Connect with your breath. And we start directly in standing. With the left hand, tap on your right to wake yourself up. Really clap, clap, tap, tap, clap, tap, clap. Feel inside where you tap. So we start to move the energy to really wake yourself up from the outside and it's going to the inside. Come to your left arm. Inside and outside, up and down. The chest, the belly, and then all the way down to your feet. The leg inside, outside. Belly again. Come to your back, also where your kidneys are, and more. Up. And then all the way up to your head. And tap, tap, tap. Really gentle here. Also when you come to your face. And then we start to warm up with 6 floors of Sun Salutation. Come in front of your mat. Inhale and exhale, bring your hands in front of your heart in Namaskar. Inhale up and exhale all the way down. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, walk or jump back. Knees, chest, chin. Come down. Inhale into a little cobra or into a big cobra. Depends how you feel right now. Exhale into your first downward facing dog. And really warm yourself up. Open your hips. And walk or jump forward with the inhale. And come all the way up. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. 5 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, walk or jump back. Hold the breath, come down. Inhale into your cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk or jump forward. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands in front of your heart. Inhale up. And exhale all the way down with long spine. Connect with your breath. Exhale into blank. Inhale into cobra. Exhale into downward facing dog. Your buttock is really coming into the sky. Inhale forward. Exhale down and inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands in front of your heart in Namaskar. If breath and movement is not one right now, then just focus on the movement. The breath will come on its own when you're ready. So just get the movement. Exhale into blank. Inhale into the cobra. Exhale. Your heels are pointing down. Inhale, walk or jump forward. Find your own rhythm. Connect with yourself. Warm yourself up. feel the heat. Inhale up, exhale down. Feel what is happening inside. Blank. Inhale into cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. One more round, in your own time, in your own rhythm, in your own breath and movement connection. We meet us in the middle of the mat. Open your feet hip width apart so you are more stable, and we do a stretch on each side 5 times. Inhale into the stretch. Exhale back to the center. Change the hand. Inhale. Really feel the length. Breathe into your lungs. Open your sides. Don't put your hips forward or backwards, they are straight. And then release. Make your arms relax so they really clap around your body. Inhale, find your way into your first tree pose. The left leg is really grounded, and the right you can put it on the lower leg, on the thigh, not on the knee. We want to protect the knee. From your hips, find your way up, elongate into the sky. And you can also play with your hands. Open them to the sky. Feel like a tree. Grounded and open. One breath here. Exhale, release and change the side. Your right leg is now really grounded. Find the position of your left leg. And where do you want to put your hands here? In front of your heart or open into the sky. Feel your connection. Live like a tree in ecstasy. One breath here. Exhale. Release your hands. And with the next inhale, come on your toes. Stretch your hands into the sky as high as you can. And hold this energy when you come all the way down. Stay on your toes until you're down. And then find directly your way into a short Shavasana. Lie down on the back. And feel your breath. Let your body relax. With the next inhale, turn to your favorite side and find your way up into lotus pose or any seated position. Close your eyes and connect with your breath. And get ready inside. Get ready for the day. Invite the sun inside. Smile. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your trust and for your energy. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.